Hey, hi guys, Chinmay here. Welcome to Upskillian. Now, this particular interview question is quite often asked. So, what is the question? What is .pbit format in Power BI? Right? So, let's understand what is .pbit format. So, .pbit format stands for Power BI template format. Okay? So, it basically includes the structure of a Power BI report without revealing or without showing the actual data. Okay. Also, it allows the users to create multiple reports with a consistent layout and visualizations. Right. So let's practically see what is a .pbit format. Let's head over to my laptop. So as you can see guys, I have my Power BI desktop open. Now this is a pbix file. Let me show you how to export or how to create a PBIT format of the same PBIX file. Okay. For that, you have to go to File. You have to go to the second last option called Export. And the first option that you have is Power BI template. Just click on this. So the template description is optional. If you want to put, you can. If you want, if you do not, you can ignore. Click on OK and save it somewhere. So let me save this in my desktop. Also, if you notice, the extension has now changed to .pbit, which stands for Power BI template. Now, if I go ahead and open this particular file for you, you can see that it's not able to connect to the data source. And here, if you see, you can see the template or the layout of the original PBIX file, right? Now, if you want to create multiple such reports with consistent formats, same color and everything, you can just export it to .pbit format and share it with your colleagues and whoever requires that. Also, if you go to the table view, you see that you do not see any of the table or data here. You can just see the schema, the column names, but you do not get to see the table. Right? Remember, in PBIT format, you do not get to see the data in the table format. If you go to the model view, here you can see that there's a relationship being created among the different tables. So this is all about how you can export your PBIX file to a PBIT format. So I hope guys you are clear about what is a PBIT format. Right? Now let's understand what are the use cases of .pbit format. So it can be used to standardize the reports. Now what does standardization mean? Standardization means same layout, same format being used across multiple dashboards or reports. So many companies want a standardized format where they want the same look and feel across their dashboards. Right? In that cases, you might have to use PBIT formats or PBIT files. The second is whenever you are showcasing your dashboard as a sample dashboard in training and demos. In that case, many a times your colleagues would come and appreciate the dashboard that you have created and they'll say, hey, can you share that with me? I also want to create a dashboard like you have done. But if you share the PBX file, you are basically exposing the data or there is a data security issue. Right? To avoid that, what you can do is export it to .pbit format where the other person can see the structure layout without basically looking into your data. Now clear about what is PBIT format? Thank you guys. All the best.